What is apoptosis? Apoptosis is something called a form of coordinated internally programmed cell death. Okay, so it is all through brain, it is all programmed that it should happen, then it happens. So how this happen? This happens only in severe pathological states where there is complete loss of function of a tissue, that is atrophy, that is shrinkage of a cell, that is what you call malfunctioning of a cell, or you can say functionalesa, where the cell is completely idle. Then only apoptosis takes place. Now apoptosis takes place without an inflammation or without any invading of inflammatory cells. This is the basic thing. There is no cells, or there is no inflammatory cells bringing upon this death. It is the other process. Okay, so what happens when a normal cell is present? Normal cell, because of the pathogen or injurious agent, gets deteriorated. Because of this deterioration, what happens? The cell becomes functionless. Now when this cell becomes functionless, there are certain bodies called apoptotic bodies which cover up these cells. Okay, when these cells are covered up with these apoptotic bodies, these apoptotic bodies trigger the macrophages to come into the site. Now macrophages have occurred, apoptotic bodies are there. Now when, as soon as the macrophages have occurred, there takes place the phagocytosis. So this typically happens in certain pathogens. Okay, like certain viruses affecting certain cells of our body, then apoptosis takes place. Certain bacteria is affecting the cells, then apoptosis takes place. Or if certain things like tetanus or clostridium tetani or something like that, which affects the nerves, or which affects the which paralyzes the body. Okay, so the cells become dead, right? The cells become non-functionless, and during that time the apoptosis takes place. So what happens? The apoptotic bodies covers up the cell, and because of this coverage, the macrophages are triggered by these apoptotic bodies, and macrophages enter the site and they clear out all the cells. They clear out all, they engulf all the cells. Whatever they see, they engulf. Whatever they see, they engulf. So this is what, something is programmed from the brain, and someone is programming this, na? So this is what is called as apoptosis. So I hope you might have understood the topic. Thank you.